Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb go up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb go up is to be built or put on display. A new hotel is due to be built in the city. We're going to put a lot of work into it. It should go up within 4 months. New housing has been announced across the city. Our 2-year plan is for affordable housing to go up tenfold across the city. Someone has gone missing in the town. Everyone is searching for them. Posters have gone up all over the town and in nearby towns. We need to get their face everywhere in the hopes that might be seen. Meaning 2 of go up is to start burning quickly or explode. An electrical fire started in a home. Fortunately, everyone got out unharmed. In a matter of minutes, the whole house went up in flames. The fire started out of nowhere. We still don't know how it all started. 1 minute we're fine, the next minute everything had gone up. So let's look back on what we've covered. Go up can mean to be built or put on display. Palm trees have gone up right through the nightclub strip. To start burning quickly or explode. The candle fell over and the room went up very quickly. Where did you hear the phrasal verb go up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.